Hi my friends, this is Oez. In this video I'll cover how to use the wipers. I figured many students have problems using the wipers. They get confused. So the wiper is on the right hand side. Let's look at the symbols there. See, bottom up it's 1x, off, auto, low, high. I think that's pretty self-explanatory, but let me demonstrate to you again anyway. So tap it down, it wipes once. Lift it up once, it's now an automatic. Here we have sensors, so that's the sensor. If that gets wet, it will wipe automatically. So the heavier it rains, the faster the wipers will be used. The faster the wiper wipes. Alright, this one would be the condition for low. And here we have high. So pretty easy actually. Alright, let's put it back on automatic. Anytime it's just starting to rain, we have a lot of dirt on the window, so it will just get more messy. So we better use the water. So if we pull that handle, we spit water on the front windshield. And now it's all clean. We have the same thing for the rear. If I just press that handle, and we'll see water. So looking from the top. Okay, so front, if you pull it, if you just tap it forward, it activates the rear wiper. And the rear we have no sensors, so it will continue to wipe. Eventually it's just going to disturb, it's just getting loud. So we just cancel it manually, pull it back. If you need wiping water, if you press it forward. So quite easy. If you like this video, please give me a like. Make sure to watch my other videos in English and in German, because those are quite important for the test. Have a good one. Bye bye.